Hey, we're talking about home inspections, and while it's not a buyer's market, it is definitely a more buyer-friendly market than it was 6 months ago. We're starting to see home inspections becoming more normal again, and that's a good thing. For the last year and a half to 2 years, very few home inspections were being seen because buyers needed that little bit extra appeal in order to get their offers accepted. So we're seeing this contingency put in more and more offers, but I wanted to do this video because it's really important for you as a buyer to understand how to utilize that contingency properly so that during negotiations and during your inspection contingency, you don't unnecessarily blow up your deal. So the number one step is to negotiate as much as you can up front. Think about it this way. If you have a list price of $200,000, you see the house needs paint, you see the house needs a new roof, you want to get pricing for all of that up front. Have your contractor drive by, talk to your real estate agent, whatever the issue is, try to get your head wrapped around what the price of those items might be. And then negotiate your offer price based on that. So anything that you can see that the house needs should be negotiated up front. Now, the home inspection is really meant to catch things that you maybe didn't notice as much. Electrical issues, HVAC issues, framing issues. These are things that as a normal person and even as a real estate agent walking through the house doing a normal showing, you probably aren't going to notice, and there's a good chance even your real estate agent isn't going to notice all the electrical things going on and framing stuff that might be there, and probably wouldn't notice if there was a little bit of mold maybe tucked away in the corner of an attic. Those types of things you're probably not going to see, and they're certainly worth bringing up to the seller after the negotiation and asking for a credit or asking for them to be repaired or something along those lines. But if you think that you are going to just offer the asking price and then have the inspection and then go through the house and list off the paint that's peeling all around the house, the roof that's clearly needs to be repaired, and an older furnace that's working but is really old, and then you're going to get 30% off the house, that's probably not going to happen. And more than likely, the listing agent is going to advise their client to drop you as a buyer. So don't go that route. Try to be as upfront as you can and get as close to a realistic offer price as you can up front. And then when you do your inspection, you're just buttoning down everything and making sure you didn't miss anything. So that's the proper way to use an inspection contingency. I hope this video helped you, and I hope that it meant that you made a deal happen and got yourself into the house that you were looking for. So if there's anything we can do to help, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to answer questions, and we'd love to help you any way we can.